Wow! Ew! Oh, I cannot believe I landed that. Getting old sucks, I know. It's unfortunate that it's a part of life though, because everybody, no matter what, is going to get old. I'm 42, I don't consider that old. That was real life, we gotta fight right in the video. And you can see that's why getting old sucks. Okay, so here's the deal. Everybody's gonna get old no matter what. I'm 42, I don't even consider that like extremely old. I actually feel pretty good. And for the first time in my life, I started working out, lifting weights. And I was like, dang, I really wish I would have done this when I was younger. But now, it's been a little while since I've been on the skateboard. At least a couple weeks for me, which is a long while. And it's been raining and blah, blah, blah. But now, we got the most beautiful day ever. And now I'm back on the skateboard, and I want to run you through my routine of getting back on the board. Because the second I step on this thing, I'm like, oh, I'm feeling a little wobbly, I'm a little shaky. Even though I've been skateboarding for 32 years, I've done a lot of skateboard tricks. How do I get back on the horse after being off of it for a couple of weeks? How do I get back in the routine? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how right now. Okay, we're going to start out by just pushing. This is vital. This is also, man, I'm gonna cover a lot of things in this video. I got a lot to talk about on this subject. But yes, getting old sucks. We're gonna start out by the absolute basics, the core fundamentals of skateboarding. Just gonna do some pushes. I'm gonna keep my knees bent, my waist bent, low to the ground, low center of gravity. But most of all, I'm just gonna roll around and have some fun. Ride that board, ew! Okay, good, I'm gonna do some tic-tacs. If you're following the Braille Skateboarding Academy progression system, you will recognize this as the white belt. So every day I go to skate, no matter what, I start out with some white belt, right? Then, I'm gonna go into some yellow belt. Let's do a boneless. Maybe a caveman. Some yellow belt. Good, now I'm a little bit warmed up. You know, normally I'd spend a little more time. But the best way, the way that you can get the most out of skateboarding and have the most fun, and the way that you never get old, right? Because there's this famous quote said, you didn't quit skateboarding because you got old because you quit skateboarding. So don't quit, and this is how you get there. Okay, now we're going into the fundamentals. This is the orange belt tricks. And for this, I'm gonna make myself do 5 of every single one of them. It's gonna be brutal. I know I'm gonna get stuck on the Heelflip because I hate them, but I need to learn to love them. That's part of getting older. I always feel just so much different after not skating for a bit. And what I actually notice in myself is my feet are less attached to the board. Like even on that Ollie, my left foot was like more off the board than it normally would be. So my timing is a little bit more off. Same there. Okay, that was Ollie number 2. 3 to go. Okay, that was better. A little more sticky on the board. Just feeling a little more comfortable. Okay, 1 Ollie left, 1 Ollie left. And that's number 5. That was a bad Ollie, but I don't care. I don't care. You can also do this just totally standing still, right? You could just do it. If you have nowhere to skate, you could put a piece of plywood down, stand on your board, and just do ollies. Okay, so that's 5. Also, the other thing that makes this extra hard is I just put on some brand new shoes, brand new Braille flip-ons. I love these shoes. And yeah, let's do frontside 180s next. Okay, frontside 180, let's go. Oh, it's 1. This is skateboard workout routine. 2, those are kind of bad 180s though. 3, see the 180 is after Ollie, because what a 180 is an Ollie while turning the upper body, head and shoulders. Boom, put it all together, then you got the 180. 4, I'm also sore in my upper body from working out, which is something I'm not used to at all. Never worked out in my entire life, really, lifted weights. 5, woo-wee! Okay, what trick is next? You guys guessed it, backside 180. Per survey, this is the trick that the most beginners cannot do. Some of them even say, yeah, Aaron, it's harder than kickflip. I don't think it's harder than kickflip. You just have to learn it the right way. It is an Ollie while turning your head and shoulders backside 180. 1, let's get another one. Let's get another one in there. 2, okay. 3, woohoo! Let's go, 4, 4, one more, that's it. 5. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You're like, dang, Aaron's working out, he's getting swole. Aaron's getting swole, he's working out, he's like the Johnny Bravo of skateboarding. Just kidding. Okay, the next one is pop shove it. Pop shove it, let's see if we can do 5 of them. See, now I'm starting to build up a little sweat, starting to get that workout, that cardio's going. Pop shove, let's go. Wow, 1, 2. I don't know if we even count that as 2 because it's pretty bad, but we will. 3. Question, leave it in the comments below. When you do a pop shove it, is it off the nose or the tail? 4, a little sketchy, but again, we're gonna take it. We're gonna take it because we can. Last one, we gotta make the last one good, guys. 5, yes. Okay, now, frontside shove it. One of my favorite ones. Keep your front foot on the board, keep it fully flat. Pop here, shove forward, and watch that board go around, rotate right underneath you. Keep it secure, you got it. Okay, ready? First try! Let's go. 2. Whoa! I literally almost died there. Let's go, number 3. If you miss one, you miss one. That's how she rolls. I think that was 3, right? 3? Yeah. That one felt good. I like the feeling of that one. 4. Wow, I like that one too. Feeling nice. 5. Yes. Okay, now the blood is starting to flow. I can start to feel my feet again. And I'm starting to get that motion where I'm like, okay, I guess I do remember how to skateboard. But this trick is always the hardest for me. The next one is the heel flip. And I don't want to say I hate them because I love all skateboard tricks and all skateboard things. And I need to take this weakness and make it a strength. So let's see if I can land 5 in a row. For this one, we're gonna cheat. We're gonna do it standing still because I'm a beginner. Oh, I cannot believe I landed that. Probably the worst heel flip ever been done in the history of skateboarding, but we landed it. Wow, that was even worse than the first one. Oh, okay, whatever. 2 down, 3 to go. See, it's so weird. Skateboarding is so weird because it's this constant battle between mental and physical. I do it, I know the motions, and I start overthinking it, and I lose it. Wow, that one felt delicious. Not a land though, unfortunately. I should have landed that. Wow, that one felt good. That was number 3. 4, one more, let's go. 5, we'll take it. Okay, that's 5. That's why this is a workout. Not only is it a workout physically, but mentally and spiritually, I'm going through the battle here. And that's me, I've skated 32 years. I can't imagine the feeling that you would get. Well, I can because I once upon a time did it. But the feeling you would get landing all these tricks for your very first time ever. Amazing. Kickflip next. Woo, I'm already winded. I'm getting old and getting old sucks. Wow, my kickflips earlier totally sucked and that kickflip did not suck. We're gonna pretend that didn't happen. Okay, let's go. Wow, that was a bad kickflip. Number 2 done though, number 2 down. 3 coming in hot. Kickflip number 3, let's go. First try. Now 4, now 5. All right, that felt pretty good, decent. It's interesting, the intricacies of it. That was not kickflip number 5. We cannot end on that. I gotta do a better one than that, that sucked. I'll take it. Okay, so this is a little skateboard workout progression program. I'm 42, I've skateboarded 32 years. That just put me through the paces. But this is how I would get back after not being on the board for a while. You know, whatever, you go through the holidays, you're doing all the holiday stuff. And now is 2026, guys. It's time to land every skateboard trick you ever wanted to know. If you set a goal for yourself, you skate every day, you're constantly progressing, you follow an exact progression system, you will learn no matter what. I'm here to teach you anything you ever need to know. Join the Braille Skateboarding Academy and I'll personally coach you through it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. I'll see you in the Braille Skateboarding Academy.